loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, welcome. My name is Mercy. I film about faith, beauty, lifestyle, and everything in between. Please do want to check out my other videos, and while you're at it, please do want to like, comment, share, and subscribe, okay? Thank you. In today's video, as you guys can already tell, we're going to be doing another Love Me Hair unboxing. So I got a wig from Love Me Hair. I got another bob wig, but without the bangs. I'll be opening the box for the first time since I received it. So this is how it came in. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this. Yeah? So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
So it came with a wig cap, wig instructions, see, return and refund policy.
Fade away.
Comes with this purse. You see it? And then in it we have the Love Me Hair silk scarf, edge control brush, elastic band for the wig for extra security. We have bobby pins, tweezer, and then we have this clip. Says Love Me. So cute. I think it's cute. So that's that. Yeah, and then the purse. And lastly, I got a gift card, $5 gift card. And that's that. Now moving on to the actual wig. So this is the actual wig, and they have it in this little mesh bag. I'm gonna go ahead and bring that out.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay.
So this is what it looks like. Okay, so we got the center part, the middle part. We got the middle part. And this is what it looks like. I think this is the HD lace as well. I'm gonna have to confirm that and put that in the title. I'm not sure. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This is what is given. And inside we have about, let's see, 4 clips, and then this band for extra security again, and we have this band as well. Looks pretty neat to me, and it looks breathable, like it's breathable.
My mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not.
I hope this looks good. Again, this is what the wig looks like. I think it's cute and it feels so soft. I'm not even capping. This is so soft. I like the texture. It actually feels so good. I can't wait to try this on. I'm gonna put the name of this wig in the title. I can't remember exactly how it was written when I got it. And this is 10 inches for sure. First, I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna put on my wig cap.
To gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Normally I'll put foundation, but I'm not going anywhere, so I'm not gonna waste my foundation. Yep. I'm actually going to cut off the lace before I put on the wig. Yeah, because I don't want to risk cutting it while I've already installed it while it's on my head. I don't know how people do that, but kudos to them. Here we go. So we're done cutting the lace. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on now.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them, them know me. I know they blow trees, only know me low. Music chose me, just know this and know me.
It's not looking bad.
I did low.
Let's see. Let's not conclude.
But I'm never lonely. Sexy
See if it can melt that lace.
ladies, come and feel me slowly.
I'm just putting this mousse to melt the lace because it's a glueless wig. It's supposed to be a glueless wig, so I'm not putting glue, I'm not putting nothing. No spray, just this mousse to melt the lace. Let's see if it's going to do anything.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only know like once.
Are you talking to me? No, like for sure. No. Me? What? What? This is so pretty. At least it's better than the bob wig. You guys see what I mean? Like, if you watched my bob wig video, unboxing video, you guys will see what I mean. Like, this is way better. This is way better than the bob wig. I mean, this is a bob wig, but like with the fringe. It's way better than the one with the fringe. I love this one. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at this purchase. So go get you one. Hey, I love it. This is what I'm wearing to work on Monday. They will collect. What? Sorry, say what? I can't hear you. This is now my everyday go-to wig. And it's a glueless wig. That's why I love it. I don't have to spray anything on my hair. I don't have to use no glue to damage my edges that I'm trying to protect. So yeah, go get you one of this. One thing I would say though is there's so many flyaways, so many of them. I know you guys can't see it, but there's so many of them, and I don't have my wax stick. I'm gonna have to, actually I don't have one. I'm gonna have to get one. And another thing I'll do differently is when next I'm going to wear this wig or whenever, I'm going to make sure I have my hair flat, like laid flat without cornrows, no cornrows, because it looks kind of bumpy right now with my cornrows underneath. I believe if I lay my hair flat, it's going to gel, like everything's going to be smooth.
Hi loves, this is me editing this video. I know you guys can tell that I was very excited in this video, and that's because I realized that bob wigs actually fit me, because I always thought bob wigs would never fit me, honestly, especially after I did the first unboxing review that I did, the one with the fringe, right? So I was pretty excited that this actually looks good on me. I can actually work with this. After carefully examining this wig the next day, another thing I'm glad I noticed is how bumpy it is on the right side, you guys' left side. Yeah, one side is way rough, way bumpier than the other, and this has nothing to do with my cornrows. I know I mentioned it, but it has nothing to do with my cornrows. Even if I lay my hair flat, it will still be rough and bumpy. And I wished I had opened this box when I received it, because then I would have returned this wig. I don't know if it has anything to do with this particular unit, because I think it's this particular unit, I'm not sure, but this particular unit I got, I did not like it. Like I said, I would have returned it or gotten an exchange. So I just want you guys to keep that in mind when you order yours, because I kept saying get yours, go get yours. If you get yours, just make sure to unbox it as soon as possible, and if you don't like it, you can return it. Yeah, I love the bob wig concept, but this particular unit I got from LUVME, not impressed. The flyaways were a lot. You would even see like some of the strands are so short. Flyaways that are graduated. Some of like the strands are so short, they're not all equal. So yeah, that's all about this wig. But aside that, I love the fact that I'm able to tell that bob wigs actually fits me. So yeah.
Smooth. Let me show you guys the back of the hair, the back of the wig. So that is what it looks like. Again, this is a glueless wig, and it's a gluing without putting any glue. Like, look at that. Yep, that's right. I'm also going to leave the link to this wig in the description box below in case you guys want to buy it, okay? Yeah. So what do you guys think about this wig? Do you guys like it? Please rate it on a scale of 1 to 10 in the comment section. Let me know if you'll be buying this. So I like it though, aside from the few things I've mentioned. We've come to the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment what you think about this wig, okay? Rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. Yeah? And please don't forget to share, all of that good stuff. Tell your friends to tell your friends to tell your friends to subscribe to my channel, okay? And most importantly, don't forget to stay prayed up, stay safe, stay healthy. God bless you, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil. My life is forever gonna shine. Before them don't know me from my area, now I'm real to the guys. Cause I came like I'm a sun, my light is forever gonna shine. I'm so G.